So here's my walk around and review of my 08 Concours 1400. Tried to do this in one take. I bought the bike used. It had about 17,500 miles on it. I've had it for about a year now. And what I've done is changed out the plastics, had the seat reupholstered, changed the mirrors, headlight, and what else? Oh, had the tank painted. I just put on new tires, and I'll put the link to what those are. They're the Dunlop Roadsmart, I believe. And then I also added the ram mount for the phone holder. So overall, best I can say on this bike, it is a couch strapped to a rocket. Gas mileage isn't great. It's definitely not something you're going to get 50, 60, 70,000 miles. Sorry, 50, 60, 70 miles to the gallon. But it's definitely one of those bikes that will go and go and go, as there's plenty of these on the road that have 100,000 miles. One of the downsides about putting the new plastics on is I did buy them out of China, and I bought a bolt kit. Thought it looked cool. And luckily I'm in Arizona, because if I was in Seattle, you would find that all my bolts, they start to rust on the inside out. So at some point I am going to change those. And then the other thing too is I haven't yet put on the fins or the deflector plates that go right there. Otherwise, it's almost exactly where I want it. The big exhaust pipe that comes on these things, I don't know who thought that up, but yeah, it's nice and quiet, but it needs to go. Other than that, I love this thing. I haven't been able to get it out on the road. If I ride, it's usually about an hour or so, and then I'm done. But if you guys, like, comment, share, tell me what you've done to yours, and I'll put some before and after photos so you can take a look. I do have heated grips on this, not that we need them. And then the other one is I love this adjustable windshield. This is something I've probably wanted since I was 20, 25 years old. I'm closer to 50 now, and man, I wish I had that years and years and years ago. Anyways, Concours 1400, it's got the ABS, which I'm not a huge fan of the link braking system, but it is what it is. When I got it, I got to add that I did rebuild the front forks, and it's great. I mean, it's just this bike just goes and goes and goes. Again, it's a couch strapped to a rocket if anybody's interested. All the power in the world with very little issues. It's smooth, it's comfortable, and I'm out here at Canyon Lake Vista at their lookout. I'll just take a quick turn around, and you can kind of get an idea that this is the kind of road that this bike will just destroy. It's very comfortable, above and beyond freeway speeds, and it is very comfortable at 20, 25 miles an hour. Anyways, there you have it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm still learning about this bike, but I absolutely love it. Oh, and I did replace the headlights with a halogen bulb, which is phenomenal. It lights up the road like you wouldn't believe. So that's it. That's all I got so far. For the most part, it's stock, other than the plastics. So that's it.